Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Power and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the capture settings. Here we have the watermark option. By just tapping on it, we get access to the watermark settings. We can add the timestamp watermark here and also the device watermark. By using these buttons, we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see in the short preview, the timestamp appears here in the right corner at the bottom, and the device is here in the left corner at the bottom. We can also slide here to see how the device looks like, so shot on Moto G9 Power. And with this watermark it's also connected the signature, so when we tap here we can add our own watermark, for example hard reset, and save here. And as you can see, it appears here in the second line, but remember that we can't add the signature without the device, so this is connected. As you can see, when I turn off the device and want to tap on signature, it's locked, so we have to get two of this at the same time. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how these watermarks looks like at the real one. To see it, let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. As you can see, from the left at the bottom we have the device watermark with the hard reset, so let's get closer to it. Sorry. And this is how it looks like at the real picture. And from the right we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need these watermarks, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, pick the watermark, and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.